Tricia, I have the little packing peanuts here, styrofoam peanuts you wanted from the office, but what does that have to do with any gardening here?
I have a great tip for you to use these.
All right, good.
I've decided I'm going to plant these cute little impatiens, and I bought a nice lightweight pot that, as you can see, has some drainage holes, as any pot should have. And because they're lightweight, I probably am going to be taking these plants inside and outside from the patio. And the styrofoam peanuts are a great way to use in the bottom of the pot for drainage.
Oh, just to prevent any of the soil from silting out of there.
That's right. I'm going to put in, about 2 inches or so.
Now, I think I've heard of people using actual gravel for the same reason. Why wouldn't you use gravel in a situation?
Gravel's a good idea too, or some kind of little rocks, but that's going to weight this down. And if you want to have easy access, this is the way to go. Why don't you help me with that soil?
Okay, sure.
Okay, we're just going to put a little bit in here. And as you can see, you just put it right on top. Okay, that's great.
Okay.
And then put in whatever plants you have, and you are all set to go.
You know, people are always looking for ways to use these packing peanuts. This is a great way to recycle, so great tip.